In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business LinkedIn account. Whether you're a small business owner or leading a larger organization, creating a LinkedIn presence can be a powerful way to enhance your company's brand and connect with industry professionals. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can get your LinkedIn page up and running smoothly. The first thing you need to do is log in to your LinkedIn account. If you don't have a personal account yet, you'll need to create one. This is essential because LinkedIn uses individual profiles as a foundation to create and manage business pages. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the work icon represented by a grid. Clicking on this icon unveils several options provided by LinkedIn. Within this menu, you'll find the option to create a company page. Selecting this will bring you to a crucial step where you'll choose the type of page you want to create. LinkedIn provides several options tailored to different organizational needs: small business, medium to large business, showcase page, or educational institution. Choosing the right category is important because it influences how your page is structured and who it reaches. Once you've selected your page type, it's time to fill in your company details. This part requires a bit of preparation as you'll need to provide your business's name, a customized LinkedIn URL, and information like your website, industry, and company size. LinkedIn does a great job of guiding you through this process, and each field has a brief description to ensure you're inputting the right information. Don't forget to upload a high-resolution company logo, as this will represent your brand across the platform. After entering all the necessary information, there's a verification box you need to check. This step confirms that you have the right to create a LinkedIn page for the company. It's crucial because it maintains the integrity of business pages on LinkedIn, preventing unauthorized creation or duplication. When you're confident everything is in place, go ahead and click Create Page. Congratulations, your business now has a presence on LinkedIn, but we're not quite finished yet. The newly created page will have a basic layout, so it's time to customize it. You can add a visually appealing banner, a detailed company description, and any other specifics you'd like your audience to know. This personalization helps your page stand out and gives a fuller picture of who you are as a business. And there you have it, a fully operational LinkedIn business account. Take some time to explore other features LinkedIn offers, like posting updates, promoting content, and engaging with followers. Remember that maintaining an active and engaging presence on LinkedIn can lead to invaluable connections and opportunities in your industry. Thanks for watching and happy networking.